Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about something that's transforming the retail industry, IoT solutions. From checkout-free stores to smart shelves, IoT is redefining how we shop. So, what makes IoT so essential for retail success? Let's break it down. But first, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to a network of devices that collect and exchange data through the internet. In retail, this includes everything from smart shelves that monitor inventory to connected POS systems and even customer behavior sensors. These devices communicate in real time, making retail operations smarter and more efficient. Retailers face one constant challenge: managing inventory. With IoT-enabled systems, shelves track stock automatically. If an item runs low, store staff receive instant alerts, ensuring products are always available. IoT helps retailers understand customer preferences through data collection. This enables personalized promotions, tailored shopping recommendations, and even custom in-store experiences, all designed to increase customer loyalty and boost sales. We've all experienced waiting in long checkout lines. IoT-powered payment systems enable fast, contactless payments, mobile checkouts, and even checkout-free stores. This means faster service and happier customers. With remote monitoring, retailers can track the health of critical devices like vending machines, kiosks, and digital signage. IoT can even predict breakdowns before they happen, ensuring smooth store operations and reducing maintenance costs. IoT is transforming retail for the future. Think smart fitting rooms with virtual mirrors, automated warehouses, and even AI-powered customer service bots. As 5G expands, IoT will connect millions of devices faster than ever, unlocking even more possibilities. If you're in retail, now is the time to invest in IoT solutions. Start by assessing your store's needs. Identify areas where automation can improve efficiency. Choosing reliable tech partners. Look for companies offering scalable IoT platforms. Ensuring reliable connectivity. Consider multi-network IoT SIMs to keep devices connected even when one network fails. IoT is reshaping retail by improving efficiency, customer experiences, and operational management. If you want to stay ahead, adopting IoT isn't just an option, it's essential. If you want to learn more about IoT for retail, check out our site. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.